Previously we got the corrugated metal above where the garage door is going. We've got the first level of the garage door placed. The supporting structure has been placed here and up. Also along here, a header has been installed. going to be very angry that she can't come to. Oh, I hear her chirping outside. Yeah, so that door. We figure this is so much better than sliding doors. Why?
There's a gap at the back here.
Okay, you need the toenail, and then I'll let go. We'll figure it out. Eventually, we're going to rent a lift so that we can power wash and paint. We chose to just keep this door white so that everything on this side can be painted the same color. The rollers go in real easy. Just into this sleeve. It goes into the one that's more this direction. This one's too close. This one's further away. And then when you put the side rail up here, this needs a 1/2 inch of play. We're working on the track that goes to the sides that the garage door raises and lowers on. We've got this track in place. If you can see between the top two circles and the bottom circle, there's a right. So that's the right-sided rail. We've got that attached and that top part as well. When you watch the installation videos for installing an overhead garage door, it says, oh, you can do it in just an afternoon. What made it harder is that there's never been a garage door in the barn here. So Sean had to install this and this. And then of course it took quite a bit of finagling to adjust the springs so that the door would close all the way and open all the way. But we're very, very happy to have that in place. I think eventually we'll get an automatic garage door opener, but for right now it's fine being a manual.